Conversion of whole numbers in base 10 to base 7. Let's learn how to convert 45 base 10 to base 7. Solution. To solve this, we divide repeatedly by 7 until further division is no longer possible. We place our 45 here, then 7 here, then we'll divide. 7 goes in 45, we have 6. 7 multiplied by 6, you have 42. When you take away 42 from 45, what remainder do we have? We have a remainder of 3. Divide again by 7. 7 goes in 6, that's 0. Remainder 6. Take the remainders upwards. So therefore, 45 base 10 equals 6, 3 base 7. And that's how to convert 45 base 10 to base 7. Thank you.